What's up guys, we're back. The video that you guys have been waiting for, and it's here. And my backdrop is a bunch of Santa Clara Gold fruit. But what I wanted to talk about was this. Our Brokaw order that I'm planning on doing for this year, 2026. So I'm gonna go through this. You're gonna see the varieties that are available as of right now. I'll put the email on the video that you can actually email me at, so you can get your order in. But here's the variety list that we have as of right now. As far as I know, all of the gems are getting pushed out to June. So I'm planning on possibly just not doing any gem at all, because it's just, you know, doing two separate orders, two separate deliveries is probably not a good thing. So that was page one. Here is page two of the varieties, and there's some interesting ones for sure, especially these guys right here, Malumas. And then here's page three. So some interesting varieties, and a lot of these may already be gone, so I need to kind of get a head count and then get a list put together so we can actually get something on the books. I have something already going. It's just a matter of making sure that I get everybody else that might be interested in. Also, I need this ASAP, so if you guys can get back to me, that way we can lock in some of our varieties that we want. In the past, what has happened is, you know, we put the order in and it's a little late, and a lot of these varieties, for example, I know like the queens were all gone right away. I bet that a lot of these varieties are going to be gone right away also. So I can try to secure them. Also, I'm going to need probably some type of payment up front. That way we can lock it in. But I wasn't planning on doing this, but there's a couple of varieties that I actually want. So that's probably part of the main reason why I'm looking to do this. So anyways, hopefully you guys are doing good. This is going to be a quick one, and I just wanted to make sure I get kind of a video out to get all of the folks who might be interested in getting avocados through Brokaw. So these are all clonal rootstock, which is great. And from my experience, I've never had a clonal rootstock avocado tree die on me. So everyone that I've bought from Brokaw has done really good, has been productive. That doesn't mean that these are all going to be great for you guys, but I would recommend researching the rootstock. I'll put a link down below for information on the rootstock. That way you guys can look it up and then decide what you want. But get back to me ASAP so I can get you on a list, all right? Also, if we don't get enough people, I may just cancel it, or if it's too much of a pain, I may end up canceling also. Anyways, we will talk later. Talk to you guys later. See ya. Bye.